As I expected from this training program, it will help me in designing picturing, but it's a little bit different. It's more concentrated toward product designing. So my expectation from I come here for the expectation of the picture designing. It's not completely fulfilled, but as part of my main work in picturing, I have learned so many things apart from my picturing. How we can optimize in general in daily practice, although we can apply in our picturing also. But as a general concept for the mind opening, I have learned so many things.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
This DFM technique is new to me, and I am very glad to know this technique because there was no other method to evaluate a design earlier, whatever it is. So it gives me a feel ki how to evaluate my design, and still what is the scope, at what level I am doing it. I can reduce it so that it can be easily manufactured or assembled, or whatever the thing there is in supply chain, we can reduce the wastages. So that's a very good tool. I will definitely try to improve on what we are doing by evaluating this, and we can have some confidence on our design also. Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you.
Sir.
Hello, this DFMA is the new tool for me since I am not involved in designing of the part, but it will certainly help me to optimize the manufacturing as well as the assembly of components. And this program is going to help in future.
Thank you. Thank you.
Not being the part of designing but still in manufacturing, it will help me a lot in while manufacturing of fixtures or trolleys or whatever we are undergoing into facilities for the line. The only feedback which I would like to give you, that the examples which were given were quite of kind of companies which are very in small items. They are making very small items. So it was in the beginning it was quite not possible for us to relevant with our product, but it's our products are quite huge. So next time I would be expecting some examples from a commercial vehicle company so that it gives a better understanding. Otherwise it was good.
Sure.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
DFMA is a new tool for me. I am not from the design section, but now I am incorporated to the assembly and manufacturing process also. And most important thing I want to know is how to calculate the design efficiency. This is wow factor for me. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks.
मैं भी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेक्शन से हूँ, तो हम लोग इसके पहले मेरे को इस चीज़ का जानकारी नहीं था कि एक छोटा छोटा पार्ट का कितना कंट्रीब्यूशन ओवरऑल असेंबली पे उसका कितना इम्पैक्ट पड़ जाता है। तो हम लोग कुछ भी ऐड कर देते थे, कुछ भी है। तो अभी है क्या, नेक्स्ट टाइम से हम लोग सोचेंगे कि इसका सर्विसेबिलिटी पे क्या फर्क पड़ता है और इसको उस हिसाब से उसका ये करेंगे।
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Well, this session would really actually divide the sections between the design and the manufacturing, provide much more clarity between them. Because what I raised the point in between also, what in day-to-day life happens, designers are pulling the legs of the manufacturers, and manufacturers are trying to pull the legs of the designers. So here we have the both teams, the designers as well as manufacturers, since we have some production department. So thought might have got into their minds, and much more things have become clear. Basically, in optimizing the process, focusing the right thing first. That's what we came to know through this, and surely this will help us. Thank you.
First of all, that this training changes my concept about the design, what I am doing. As a product designer, so my concept is that to design and all this thing. But after training last night, I think that I am taking part number for any component, releasing it. But by DFMA training, I know that how much agencies are involved in, what are the cost incurred, how many persons are involved in for one part. I am not worried about that taking the parts and all these things. Right now, I am knowing the whole picture about one part, single part only. So, and gaining the knowledge about how can I reduce the part number in assembly and how I efficiently use my design efficiency. So it will definitely help for me also and my organization also to improve the product serviceability point of view, assembly point of view, manufacturing point of view, and optimum resource utilizations point of view. So it will definitely help, and it will definitely give me the way or path to how to design the new product and all these things.
Thank you very much.
First, I would like to thank you guys, because before joining this class, I don't know what is DFMA. And after joining this class, I have learned many things. They have given a lot of course content to us. Market in, market out, we are not aware of these things. So, what training you have provided me, your company has guided us to achieve these things. It is helpful for me, not only me, also for organization. Because many course content is there. After going this class, we will read these booklets and many things inside the booklet, and it will help you from.
Thank you very much.
एक्चुअली मैं डिज़ाइन डिपार्टमेंट से नहीं हूँ, लेकिन मैं असेंबली डिपार्टमेंट से हूँ. हमारे यहाँ पे हर साइज़ का जो 5-5 mm के डिस्टेंस पे बहुत सारे डिफरेंट फास्टनर यूज़ होते हैं. तो मैं ट्राई करूँगा जैसे BMW वेबसागर ने जैसे बनाया उस टाइप का पूरा एक ही टूल में एक ही फास्टनर से व्हीकल बनाने का ट्राई करूँगा.
थैंक यू. वेरी गुड. थैंक यू.
ट्रेनिंग से पहले मैं जस्ट अभी नाम सुना था DFMA का, लेकिन अभी ट्रेनिंग लेने के बाद मुझे ओवरऑल पिक्चर क्लियर हुआ है DFMA होता क्या है. आप नेक्स्ट जो मैं प्रोजेक्ट मैं इन्वॉल्व होऊंगा या कुछ भी अब डिज़ाइन करूंगा तो ओवरऑल पिक्चर को देखते हुए वो अपने चाइल्ड पार्ट को, सब असेंबली को, फाइनल असेंबली, फाइनल प्रोडक्ट को वो सिमुलेट करके
थैंक यू. थैंक्स.
The best part of this DFMA program I learned is the part count, how matters in any new part development, and in how it can be related to the cost reduction and related to the serviceability issues, and how it can increase the efficiency of the whole vehicle. So the best part I have learned from this is part count, and I will definitely implement this in new development parts. So how I can assemble two parts and can be made of one part.
Thank you. Thanks a
lot. First of all, I thank you to both the faculty members. I was very new for what DFMA is, but after going through this session, I am feeling very confident कि सबसे पहले हम लोग सिर्फ functional as a designer, I am looking only the functional aspect. ये काम करेगा कि नहीं करेगा, जल्दी जल्दी इसको रिलीज कर दो. बट नाउ इट स्टिमुलेट्स माय माइंड कि इसको असेंबली पॉइंट से भी देखना है, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग पॉइंट से भी देखना है, सर्विसिबिलिटी की तरफ से भी देखना है, ताकि जो वोल सर्किटरी है, जो हमारे डिफरेंट चैनल पार्टनर्स हैं सारे के सारे, वो कहीं ना कहीं इफेक्ट होते हैं हमारे एक छोटे से छोटे डिसीजन से. जो कि हमने देखा कि 5% का हमारा जो डिसीजन है वो 70% इम्पैक्ट करता है. जब हम इतना सारा इम्पैक्ट डाल रहे हैं तो उस प्रक्रिया को ढंग से क्यों ना करें. तो अभी काफ़ी कॉन्फिडेंस जनरेट हुआ है और आगे हम इसको यूज़ करेंगे.
It was nice to be the part of this kind of training in our campus, and as far as I'm in design section, and we know all the techniques in ourselves, but we don't implement. Actually we design, but we thought of it is nice. We don't consider what impact is going to means hiccup in future and what are the problems. But certainly after attending this training session, we are going to implement and reduce the cost and reduce assembly factors and all. That's nice.
Thanks a lot.
First of all, I would like to thank you both of the guys. This was a nice training. And I didn't know much about before this training about DFMA. I only think is that DFMA is only for the manufacturing aspect. So usually what happens is we design according to the manufacturing. So it is easily manufactured at the tool room. But we don't know about the reducing the number of the component. but now I will try to reduce the assembly components so that ultimately the cost of any tools or any fixtures will be reduced later on. This is the best part, and I think when I came here, my impression was that how to do the first time design right. So I think I have a very good knowledge and confident now. I'm confident that I can design at the first time right design. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
First of all, I'd like to say both have guys. Thank you. I don't know about the DFMA before this training, but I have got this training. I would got to productions later trainings, and I would implement this our manufacturing line to get better.
थैंक यू कहना चाहता हूँ. एक्चुअली मैं सेंट्रल क्वालिटी डिपार्टमेंट से हूँ, डिज़ाइन डिपार्टमेंट से नहीं हूँ. तो मैंने जाना कि ये लाइन पे कैसे फंक्शनलिटी को बढ़ा के कॉस्ट कम किया जा सकता है. तो ये छोटे टूल्स को इस्तेमाल करके आप मतलब एक डिज़ाइन व्यू से भी आप सोच सकते हो क्या अच्छा हो सकता है इस पर. थैंक यू.
Thank you very much for a wonderful